apocalypse.
Hello friends, I am Saurav and welcome to my YouTube channel TechnoBrat. In today's video, I am going to review this SanDisk Ultra Flare pen drive. Here you can see in the video, this is the pen drive. It is a USB 3.0 flash drive technology with the capacity of 32 GB. And I can surely say this is one of the best pen drive under rupees 500. And why I am saying this, you can see in the video itself. So please watch the video till end and like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can also see the other videos of my channel and be notified for future updates. So not wasting more time, let's quickly see what are the features of this pen drive. In the front side you can see that there is some information about this pen drive. Like here it is written, sleek durable metal casing, transfer a full length movie in less than 30 seconds. And why is this so? Because it has speeds of up to 150 MB per second. And wow, that is something interesting to claim. Let's see what is the actual speed. We will also do a speed test in the upcoming part of the video. Now also we get a SanDisk secure access software. I will also show this part, this software in the upcoming part of the video. Turning to the back side, here you can see some other info as well, like the price, month and year of manufacturing. And one good thing to notice is that this has been manufactured in Malaysia, which is good as it is not manufactured in China. Also, one good thing is that we get a 5-year warranty with this pen drive. Now let's see how does the pen drive look. So this is the pen drive, guys. This is the pen drive, and wow, this looks amazing. It has this part of the pen drive is made up of metal, and this is made up of hard plastic. Overall, talking about the build quality, I would say it has a very good build quality, awesome quality. Now we will do the quick speed test and see how is the performance of this pen drive. So let's jump into my computer. Now friends, I'm going to insert this pen drive into my computer and we will see how is the performance of this pen drive. So now it has opened, and here we can see the SanDisk secure access software. Actually, this software is quite useful if you want to save your important files. Here you can see that it has saves the important files with the help of latest encryption technology for safe file storage. That's why this software is very important. You can use it. I will use it later on. Now we will do the performance or speed test of this pen drive. So I have opened this Crystal Diskmark software. If you need this software, then I will leave this link of this software in the description box. You can download from there. And now we will locate the pen drive. Yeah, let's see how is the speed of this pen drive. It will take some time. Now here we can see the speed of this pen drive. The read speed is 157 MB per second, which is quite good. You will not feel any problem in transferring any file. I will also show you a demo. I will transfer a movie. Now I'm going to close it, stop it, and we will see the speed. So this is a movie. As you can see, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. The size of this movie is around 2.06 GB. Now I'm going to transfer this file into the pen drive and see how much time does it take. Here you can see the time remaining is about 30 seconds. It's quite fast. At this time the speed was around 50 MB per second, but now the speed is about 24.5 MB per second. But one thing you need to remember, that you have to insert this pen drive in the USB 3.0 port of the computer, not in 2.0 port, because 3.0 port is a new port and it is faster than the 2.0 port. So do keep that in mind. So here you can see that it is almost done. Now we can also check that this is the movie. So I would say this is a very good pen drive. The transfer speed is also very fast, so you don't need to worry about that. And also it has a 32 GB capacity, so it is a large capacity. I think this is the best pen drive under rupees 500 at this price range. This is the best pen drive you can get. Thank you.
Also friends, if you like the video then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also you can comment on this video and provide some suggestions so that we can improve our videos day by day. Thank you.